In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to go from $0, that's no money at all in your pocket, to over $1,000 per day on JVZoo promoting these specific products. That is profit, not revenue, profit, so that's all your money to keep. And in this video, I'm going to show you each and every step that you need to take, and I'm going to show you my proof as well. What's going on, fellow entrepreneurs? My name is Jay from the Millionaire Mindset channel. This channel is all about entrepreneurship, making money online, drop servicing, affiliate marketing, your path to building an online business, working from home, maybe reaching a little bit of financial flexibility, getting you in the right mindset to get some positivity or whatever it is, whether you'd like to reach some goals, make money online, and improve your life a little bit. On this channel, I am posting daily content on how to make money online, building online businesses to help you get started in your journey on how to make money online. So without further ado, if you want to get tons of content like this, make sure to subscribe down below with the notification bell so that I can send you a personal message every time I upload a video just like this one. Also, if you want to get to know me a little bit more, make sure to follow me on Instagram over here. I'll leave a little message over here and you can go and send me a message. I'll reply to most DMs, or the ones that I can. Sometimes I do get a lot of influx of DMs. And also, if you want to get one-on-one mentoring with me and you together, I have an entire 6-figure drop servicing university program, which is kind of like an online degree or course that will teach you about drop servicing. You can go over to the first link in the description to get a free training on that. The actual drop servicing program is a paid program, as that information is very in-depth, sensitive, and valuable information that just cannot be for free on YouTube. But this video I'm going to show you today, I actually learned in a $397 affiliate marketing course that I'm now going to post on my channel here for free. So make sure to watch each and every step and enjoy this content. So over here is my Digistore24 dashboard, and today so far I've earned over $628.17. We not only it's only now 11 o'clock in the morning, so there's still a whole day to go before I can get to that $1,000 mark. But yesterday over $1,000 and last Saturday over $2,000. This is revenue. There's still maybe a little bit of expenses on this, so I rounded it off to about $1,000 a day, as there are expenses on this. But just to refresh, to show you that this is my live dashboard and not some kind of screenshot or anything like that. There you can see this is my live Digistore24 and not some kind of screenshot or anything like that. But without further ado, we're going to get going straight with the strategy right now. But before I get into this, I just want to let you guys know that I'm running another epic competition on my 6-figure drop servicing university program. The first person that subscribes to this channel, leaves a like, and comments down below their favorite quote or something valuable, something motivational. In my next video, I'm going to announce the winner of that 6-figure drop servicing university program. By the way, this person on the screen over here was the winner of yesterday's $10 giveaway. In today's video, I'm doing a 6-figure program giveaway. Also, I'm going to give you guys, every single viewer on this video, a huge special on the 6-figure program. All you need to do is enter this coupon on the screen on the checkout of the page, and you will get about 90% off the drop servicing university program. It's only valid to you guys watching this video today, so well done to you if you decided to click on this video. So make sure to go to the checkout, that's the first link down below, and enter this coupon on the checkout of that page. But anyways, let's carry on with this video. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to come over to Digistore24.com, which is the app or the website we're going to use to promote these affiliate products. Over here, you can see tons of categories for you, such as languages, jobs and employment, internet and e-marketing business, home and garden, hobby and handcraft, tons of categories. By the way, this strategy works for any single niche that you choose. So I suggest use what I'm going to use, or use something that you're passionate about, or a niche that you know something about. The exact product that I've been using, if I come over to the fitness and health, is this one over here, the advanced bodybuilding program featured in movies. So now obviously you see in these Hollywood movies, these actors such as maybe Chris Pratt or one of those actors in any of these movies that are looking quite good, well bulked up, with a good figure, good lean muscle. And the thing is, they go on these incredibly advanced bodybuilding programs specifically for that specific movie. And a lot of people that watch these kind of movies think to themselves, how can I look like that? How do they get a body so fast? Because then you see, like 2 months down the line, you see the same actor on social media or something, and they've lost all of that weight and that muscle and that leanness on how they looked in the movie. So people wonder, how do they get to look so good so fast? This is a program that teaches people exactly how to do that. So I've been using this to my advantage to get tons of affiliate commissions and affiliate sales with this program. If I copy this program over here and I go over to Google and type in review, you can see tons of people, but not many, using a strategy like this. So some people are trying to rank on Google, some people are trying to post these reviews on YouTube to get tons of traffic through their affiliate links. So over here, when people search the advanced bodybuilding program featured in movies, you can see there's one that pops up over here called sldigitalmart.com, and there's some YouTube videos over here. So let me just actually quickly go and have a look at one of these YouTube videos. And honestly, I think this is a very terrible video. And you can see they've got like trial all over the place. They obviously use some kind of free tool, and then they've got their affiliate link to this program over here. But this is all text-based. This trial watermarks over this video is honestly terrible. But even though these people are getting terrible views on this video, there's another person over here who's just getting a couple of views. They are getting not many, but 1 or 2 clicks on their affiliate products, maybe signing them up on their email program. But I mean, for someone who's putting in such little effort, is already getting free traffic. So this is something that you should not do, but this is something that I'm showing you because I don't want you to make the same mistake. And what you want to do is you want to create a video like I'm talking to you right now, reviewing this tool. So all you can do is you can literally click on promote now over here, and you'll get your affiliate link. Click on your own affiliate link and it will take you to the landing page of this product, and you can literally review this entire page. You can mention to people what's included, like I'm talking to you right now. And you want to come over to Fiverr.com once you've made your YouTube video and you've got a little review video going. You want to come over to Fiverr and you want to go type in YouTube SEO or YouTube ranking, rank on YouTube or anything like that. So let's just go YouTube rank as well. And over here, this person will boost your YouTube ranking videos in the YouTube with premium high quality traffic. You can actually go and pay an SEO expert on Fiverr to rank your YouTube videos to get more views, more traffic, whatever it is. And these people will get tons of traffic to your YouTube video, ultimately getting a lot of people to click on your affiliate link, because the whole idea is you want to have your affiliate link like this guy's got over here in the description of his YouTube video. And this is just another great little trick where you can use Fiverr to really fast this process and speed up the process of getting a good YouTube channel. And over time, you can also get monetized on YouTube and make money through ad revenue. But I do want to be clear that this method through YouTube does take time. You do see that you do have to produce content. Someone make some good quality content. I don't suggest using any stock videos or those robot voices. People will know that and they'll just click off your video. If you can talk to them face to face and get out of your comfort zone a bit, you're in for business, because people will start to trust you and they will actually listen to what you have to say. And you can use Fiverr over here to really boost the growth of your YouTube channel. And honestly, you can see over here, if you're going to post a video on YouTube for this specific keyword, Advanced Building Body Program Review, you will pop up on YouTube, get a couple of views going. But like I said, it's not going to be a lot at first. You need to build consistency, but that's why I also recommend Fiverr to really improve your YouTube channel and get tons of traffic and SEO and get these experts to rank your videos on YouTube to get lots of traffic and ultimately affiliate link clicks and affiliate sales to your affiliate link. But one thing I want you to pay attention to, no one is actually running ads on this. If I click on all, you can see no one is running ads right now on this specific review. So we can go and create a Google ad to rank for a specific keyword. For example, how movie actors gym. We can go, for example, how movie actors gym. You can see over here 10 intensive movie style workouts you can do in the gym, and no one's ranking for this keyword either. So what we can go and do is we can come over to Google, just type in quickly Google Ads over here, click on this link over here, get more customers, Google Ads. You want to click on start now, and you want to go and create a basic Google ad. I'll take you through the basic process now, and you want to rank for keywords, for example, how movies actors gym, how do movie actors get so much muscle, how do movie actors get bulk so fast, how do movie actors, and you want to find a whole bunch of keywords like that. And you want to keep ranking for keywords like that, like movie star workout plan, for example. And over here, we can go to new campaign over here. Just click on new campaign again. You want to click on website traffic over here, and you just want to click on search traffic over here. Click on continue. Your business website name can be your affiliate link, or if you want to create a bridge page with something like Builderall or Kartra or ClickFunnels, you can do that, or even WordPress. So let's just go use our affiliate link over here. You want to select all countries and territories, leave languages, leave your audience, your budget. You can start off, for example, just 50 Rand or $5 a day. Start off small, split test ads, create 4 or 5 ads, scale on the ad that performs the best and cancel the rest. That's how I run my Google ads. And over here, you want to select for conversions. Click on start and you can get started with your ads. I just want to quickly show you a little bit more about the keywords and specific keywords when doing your ads. So the thing is with keywords over here, this is the important part. Workout ideas, body working out. You also want to have exact keywords. For example, use the brackets, broad match, and you want to type, for example, movie star workout plan. You also want to have movie star meal plan as well, and you want to rank for these specific keywords because these are keywords people are searching on Google. They want to see, how do these movie stars get so fit, what do they eat, what do they gym, chest, back, legs, and you can go, for example, Dwayne Johnson meal plan. You can see what he eats, and you can also go Dwayne Johnson workout plan. If people are searching The Rock Dwayne Johnson's workout plan or meal plan, you can pop up at the top with your affiliate link to this affiliate program on how these movie famous stars are doing these advanced bodybuilding programs. People will click on that, and that's how you're going to get tons of sales. You get thousands of clicks through Google because a lot of people search this kind of thing, and over here sometimes Google will actually auto fill out keywords for you to help out, but I suggest cancel most of these, and you want to rank only for specific keywords. I like to rank for and target specific keywords because I want to target a specific audience that exactly matches this product. Because if you put in a broad match keyword and you, for example, type in movie star workout plan, it'll pick up that Ariana Grande is a singing star and will relate it to your term, and you might rank for keywords that are absolutely not related to your product at all. That's why with Google Ads, I like to promote with specific keywords, and that's what I recommend you do as well. And these are perfect examples over here. So this is the second part of the strategy that works really well with any kind of affiliate marketing strategy. Now I quickly wanted to explain to you guys, in order to get a discount on my 6-figure drop servicing university, which actually goes through my winning drop servicing and Google Ads formula, I'll actually show you over here. This is what the free training looks like over here. There's tons of student results over here. Here you can see, you get over here my winning Google Ads and drop servicing combo that personally generates me about $15,000 to $40,000 net profit a month, drop servicing and using Google Ads on my drop servicing offers. So over here I've got an entire in-depth university on this. Like I said, make sure to use this coupon on the screen over here to claim all of this. Currently, this entire bootcamp is going for $1997, and you can click on add to cart over here and you will get 90% off this entire lifetime university access. You can log in with this whenever you want to, but I suggest start off with this free training over here. You can click on the first link in the description to get this free training here. And if you want to win this 6-figure university access for free, all you need to do is find the hidden emoji somewhere in this video, comment anything down below that you thought about this video, if it was valuable, if it was not, if you want me to change something. Make sure to subscribe and leave a like, and comment down below with your comments the timestamp that you saw with that emoji or what the emoji was, and then I will announce the winner in tomorrow's video who wins this bootcamp. But without further ado, make sure to go down below to the first link in the description to go and claim your awesome discount for only you today.